Your national insurance number is unique to you, and it's yours for life. You'll need it for things like starting a new job or applying for a driving license. This video shows you how to add it to your Apple or Google Wallet, so you can view it whenever you need it. For Apple device users, we recommend using the Safari browser to add your national insurance number. The easiest way to do this is by using the HMRC app. If you don't have the app, search Download the HMRC app on gov.uk. The first time you open the app, you'll be asked to sign in. Enter your Government Gateway user ID and password. If you don't have these, you can create them in the app. If you've used the HMRC app before, you can sign in with a 6-digit PIN number, your fingerprint, or facial recognition. Step 1. Once you're in the app, choose View Your National Insurance Number at the top of the screen. Step 2. Then scroll down and choose the Add to Wallet option for your device. If prompted, accept the terms and conditions to authenticate your device's wallet app. Step 3. You'll see your national insurance number. Choose Add in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Step 4. Choose Done. Because HMRC regularly improves the app, some of the screens you've just seen may look different on your phone. You can also use your online account to add your national insurance number to your Apple or Google Wallet. Step 1. Search HMRC online account on gov.uk. Step 2. Sign in. Step 3. Then choose View and save your national insurance number on the home page. Step 4. Choose the wallet option for your phone. If you're viewing on a different device, scan the QR code with your phone. Step 5. You then need to log back in on your phone. Step 6. Choose Add in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Step 7. Choose Done. And that's it. Your national insurance number is now in your e-wallet, and you can view it whenever you need it. There's lots more you can do while you're in the HMRC app too, like checking your next pay and tax code. You can find out more about adding your national insurance number to your Apple or Google Wallet on gov.uk. And there's more about the HMRC app in our other YouTube videos.